Hello, it's day 2 of the plank challenge. I hope that you are considering joining with me for the month of November. So today I'm going to try a different plank variation and I'm just going to see how long I can hold it. I'm shooting for 45 seconds, but we'll see what we get today. So once again, I'm keeping my elbows underneath my shoulders, my tailbone tucked, and my puppy coming to check me out. Hey, sweetie. I'm almost to 30 seconds. I'm definitely starting to feel the tremble. Bailey's coming to check me out as well. Thank you, Bay. All right. Drop my knees, lower down. Uncurl my toes, press up for Sphinx pose. Slide my hands back. Rock back for release in child's pose. I hope you'll join me and Bailey for the November plank challenge.